How's it going, gents? Here we are today at the drag strip, Heathcote Dragway, on the MT-10SP. Got a Hayabusa, Tristan here and his Hyper. That's a freaking nice Ford Focus RS right there. Fully caged and on slicks and shit. That's rad. Anyway, we're gonna see how the MT-10SP is gonna run. I haven't dragged it yet. I really haven't even freaking launched it hard. I reckon it's going to be quite tricky, to be honest. It is a wheelie machine. It wants to wheelie at any moment. I honestly don't think it's going to be an easy bike to get a good time on. I'm hoping I can just get into the 10s, but we'll see what we can do. First run, we'll try wheelie control. It'll be terrible, I reckon, and then we'll turn it all off and we'll just use the old right hand as a wheelie control. I'll pop on the Hayabusa. What do you reckon he'll run? 10.4, 10.5? Got the phone on the quad lock in case I get a, you know, Facebook message on the way down. 10.6, not bad. Not too bad with the wheelie control on. Definitely short shifting. I need to kind of really watch the rev limiter. The bike's not very loud, so because I've got the stock exhaust on, it's kind of tricky to hear when to rev. So I've got to make sure I'm really looking at. Maybe I'll put the shift light on properly. Got that shift light set too low. I honestly didn't feel anywhere near as fast as a proper leader bike, like a freaking CBR or a 1000RR. Like, just didn't feel like it had that much real freaking pull to it. No wheelie control this time. Just be all Tom. Still a very tricky bike to launch, the old MT-10. I don't know, to be 100% honest, it just doesn't feel fast. Maybe it's because the last bike I was riding really fast was the HP4 race, so I'm a little bit ruined now by power. I don't know, that still feels like an 11. Like, I know what a 10.8 feels like on the CBR. It doesn't feel this doesn't feel that fast. What's our numbers again? I already forgot. 194, 195. Arigato. Oh, you screwed up for you this time. And I got an 11. Yeah. He didn't get a time. The left doesn't seem to be working for bikes. 11.1. See, it didn't feel that fast. Cuneo! Wheelied the whole freaking 60 foot. Jesus Christ! You see Cuneo? Yeah. Wheelie the first 60 foot?
Jay got a 10.89.
10.89? Jeez, what'd I get?
You got 11.04?
11.0?
11.0.
Okay, getting better. So I'm versing CBR 1000RR. Bike I ran 10.3 on. This I've ran an 11 so far, an 11 flat. Suspension firm, all electronics off, full power mode. Where's the staging? SP gang. MT-10SP versus Ducati Hyper Motard SP. Both wheelie machines. Not the best for drag racing, but Still plenty of fun, man. That's what it's all about, isn't it? All about plenty of fun. Then hit the skids as hard as you can. Man, the brakes aren't very freaking strong on this bike. That was a good, like, second gear hovered the wheel the entire time. You could probably on the video notice me drifting over to the right. It's just because the wheel was in the air. I couldn't turn it, but I really didn't want to click third too early. Bet you I didn't get timed. 10 bucks. 195. Did I get timed? No, I didn't. Of course not. What's the point of coming to Heathcote? Didn't get timed. No time.
For both of us?
Oh, for me, you got 11.6, 11.5. Half of our runs aren't getting timed here. It's super annoying. My last run was really freaking good. Like, it was a really good second gear, held it perfectly, the wheelie. Cuneo here in the Riviale. Big wheelies, too big of a wheelie. I guarantee that's the run that freaking gets timed. This is like an hour in between runs. You get one awesome run and it doesn't get freaking timed. Okay, I've got about 8 dockets with no ET on it. Yeah. No time. The girlfriend and wife squad. Thanks. Hey, I did get a 10.8. Finally got timed.
I was like scared you were gonna have a code.
She was scared.
She, like, literally gave
She looked very scared. Finally, I got a 10.8 at least, and I didn't feel very... 10.8? A little better. It didn't feel as good. It still didn't feel as good as that last one. I was fast the last one.
Yeah, you didn't really.
So I reckon that run I would have got a 10.6 maybe. The best I can do on a stock MT-10 is probably a 10.6, 10.5. On YouTube, the best I could find was a 10.6 with a MT-10 with a full exhaust and tune. This is all stock. It's got the Acra slip-on, but that doesn't do anything. Saying it, but on this bike there's a bee's dick in it between freaking good launch and dumb shit wheelie. Because I mean, look at first gear on this thing. This is first gear. Just wheelies, man. Like, it's just silly, man. And wheelie, wheelie. 10.9, yeah. Not bad, but not as good. Alright, gents, last run of the day. Me versus Tristan. The last run of the day. You never screw up this one, do you?
babe.
I just went for wheelies and I don't give a shit. It wheelied, I thought, but it's just still wheelie, eh? It's been the MT-10SP at the drag strip. Not the best bike for drag racing, it just wheelies. It just wheelies. But it's a fun bike. There's plenty of power there. It's just getting it on the road's a tricky bit.